So hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. So just now I have arrived here in this Jheel Clement town, some tourist place park. It's looking good. So right now I just have parked my cycle over here because they don't allow to bring the cycle inside. So I have to park the cycle here. Vehicle and all you have to park here. So over there I have to go see that what you see little bit that white element. I will show you when I enter. So just now I have came here. The time is 11 already. It takes me 11 kilometer from my rooms to here. So I just start from my rooms I think 10, and then I arrive here at 11 something I think. Now it's 11:10. So guys, now I'm going to enter and show you inside. After that then I will go back home. So everyone, this is public place, so everyone is looking at me in the road. Watch till the end this video so you'll understand, and then you will see how this place it is. Stay tuned guys. This is my cycle I park here. They don't allow to bring inside, so that's why I have to park here. So here people are parking vehicle. Auto driver. Okay. So let's go over there. So here. Whoa, it's like this. See. First I'll go beside I think first. So here people can sit. So, कुछ बात here I will show you here are the words. This is big love for you. So I have show you here, and then I asked for people to help me to shoot video. They helped me. So guys, let's show you around. Yeah. Oh, this is dog. Oh, shit. Go. Big hand. Here you see big hand. I'm little scared because they sound like snake. See over here. I'm little scared for this duck, not duck. They sound like snake, so that's why I'm little scared for them. You know what, please? So if you say the hens or something, they will come. But here, I don't know how they feed them. I don't know. Aleme wanang ni. Ula, they enjoy in this pond. I think there is fish or not in this pond, but they enjoy in this pond. So let's show you around over there, not only here. It's good, it's so good here to come and enjoy yourself. If you are new, come here and enjoy yourself. This pond also looking good. This side is dirty water. See, nala, dirty water. Oh, they play, they enjoy. That duck. Maybe there is fish or not in this pond, I don't know. Oh, there is one fish. Which that? See, that fish is there. Oh, you can see there, that one. That is a dead fish. Maybe they die. Squirrel, where are you going? आ जाओ यहाँ पे. Don risang. Kumno ong kasim kan mau show. Squirrel. Don squirrel. Whoa. Kakmat ro pan long bahar namar tang samthia bangake dang step keng happy bed. My face doesn't look good because I wake up early. I was have to come in time. Maybe they will close no? If I'm late here. So let me show you here. There are many places. It is good, but it is not that much clean over here. This one also one pond, and this side one pond. Two ponds, one, and this side one. See, squirrel, 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 small squirrel. Let's go this side. Oh, if you want to enjoy here also you can sit. Don't want to enjoy here, sit here. Let me enjoy alone. Oh, it's moving. So guys, let's go this around and then I will show you this way. Here it's there only two ponds, this side and this side. This side there is that big hand, big duck, big duck. Han we call in my in Kasi language I think, but in my language we call rapasa. So let's go that way. I will show you that way. Then Come on, guys. Let's show you. Here I sit alone. It's enjoying. And then this bhai, he's still sleeping. Hey. Ish. If he get angry, he will bite me. Let him sleep. You want to rest? Oh, there is another one also for sitting. I have to see everywhere here, every place. Oh, that one. That also a big bat. Just keep moving. She's saying just keep moving. Big bat. You see they are sitting over there. They are also enjoy here. If the water is clear, na, I will go inside and then swimming. Let me also write my name here. AP, like my brother name. AS, I don't know. SA, I don't know. But AP to like my brother. Well, they are just playing, I think. I'm also a Tarzan. I can climb trees easily. No way. Oh, over there also there is. There's so many places here. Nice, right? Oh, straight. Wow, guys. This is like a boat. This is. What is that? Big monkey. Here up, nah. I cannot bring camera. Maybe they don't allow. They have written here in black signboard that should not take photos. Tang bomb, boom. Wow. I'm not taking photo for you guys. Don't worry. They are looking like worries. But I'm not taking photo for them. Again, I came here in this place. So finally, I recover this place. I have recovered all this place. So now I think I have to go back. Oh, monkey! What are you doing over there? The security guard. He's doing to them. It's like oh, there are so many of them. That one is going up. This one is big. Okay, Shirley. Belay. They scare. हाँ
झील बंद हो जाएगी ना 12 बजे।
हाँ 12 बजे ठीक है 12 बजे it's close 12 o'clock
3 बजे आओ।
3 बजे बस ब्लॉग्स बना रहे हैं
हाँ ब्लॉग बनाते रहो, बहुत अच्छा है।
आप यहाँ से तो देहरादून ही हो
हाँ
ठीक है चलो यहाँ मछली है
हाँ मछली है,
ठीक
मेरे तो मर गया मछली, बहुत मछली है, बहुत।
So guys, finally I have covered all this place around here in this Jheel Clement town. There is that over there. There is area that where soldier. I don't know what they are doing there. But here in this park, I have recovered everywhere. So I think you like my video. So please comment, like, and then share, and then subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. So you will get new update from my channel. I will keep upload video as much as I can. I will try to work hard. So for you guys also you will enjoy, and then for me also it will be good for my channel. So please subscribe and then like my video. So guys, now I have to go back home. I think from this place to my room it will take me while going only 10 kilometers. I think I can reach only coming. It's hard for me because I have to find Google Map. I cannot go directly without Google Map. I don't know. So I hope you enjoy my video. Please like, share, comment. That's all. See you in the next video guys. Keep enjoying my channel. Keep watching the video from my channel. So that's all. Thank you guys for watching.